Here's how to build and edit from multiple sequences using Quickture's multi-edit tool. First, go to the Multi-Edit tab. Then, enter your prompt. For instance, edit a montage of the women talking about moving to Los Angeles. Intercut between them to make the edit more dynamic. Click Set Active Sequences to choose which sequences you want to include in your edit. Then click Set Active Speakers to select which characters you want included. And then, let Quickture do the work.
We pondered, should we make the move, should we not?
I am out here sacrificing my other half of my family to pursue her dreams.
Name your sequences with descriptive names like scene or INT for interview, or use the character names. Quickture can interpret these sequence names so it understands what's in there. You can also include the sequence names in your instructions if you want Quickture to use the footage in different ways. Not only can multi-edit combine scenes with interviews, it can also edit a super tease from a whole season of episodes, or intercut a flashback with a scene. That's how you use Quickture's multi-edit to combine relevant footage into one sequence.